Hello, this is Right Side Trader. Today is February 21st, 2025, and this is my weekly market review where I'm reviewing the Dow 30, that's DIA, on a quarterly chart, monthly chart, weekly chart, and a daily chart. This is all for educational purposes only, no trade recommendation, because as we all know, trading is risky. You can lose money at trading. So please check with your financial advisor. Please check with your significant other and make sure trading is something that is suitable for you. Get training, get educated. All right, let's zoom in here on this Dow quarterly chart and the Dow. Let's zoom in here a little bit. It's getting that doji. Had a doji last quarter at the end of the year. This quarter here beginning to form another doji. Been pushing down pretty good here, you know, these first couple of months of the year and all. So just be kind of like mindful of this. This thing is not in a race to go higher from what it looks like here. But let's go ahead and go down to this monthly chart and see what we see here on this monthly chart. Let's zoom in here on this monthly chart on the Dow now. We're red. We actually have what is called a bearish harami being formed here at the top in the right location. But this is a monthly picture though. The thing is, we're still above the 9-10 moving average. We could come down here and kiss this now if we can continue to drop, or we might come down just to pivot and kiss that and reverse back up. So we got a couple targets right here in the market. One is the pivot right here around 430, and then the other one is going to be this moving average down here. It's going to be down around 425. As the days go on, this line will come up a little bit and all. So that's the thing. We are in. And the other thing with this bearish harami being at the top, you will be looking for a confirmation candle. So it won't be until next month you see that, or maybe at the end, based on your trading plan, your trading strategies, how you look at this thing. You know, you may have to wait until the end of the month to see if this pattern is actually going to hold, because we don't know what's going to happen in the next week or so. This thing could turn back green. Don't know at this time. But right now, what we see, and all, is a bearish harami, a bearish pattern in the market. And let's go ahead and go down to the weekly chart. On this weekly chart, zoom in here a little bit, and see the Dow made its high earlier, and we haven't been able to get back above it. The Dow has also formed. It's kind of like an ugly evening star. When I say an evening star, I'm talking about these three candles right here, and all. So, but again, we'll be looking for that confirmation candle out over here somewhere. See if that's going to actually happen to the downside and all. If we get that confirmation candle, maybe again, it'll get us back down here maybe closer to that 420, that 425 level that I was talking about, and all of that 425 level. Mainly that I think we'll push down in this candle. Will we push down below this candle? I don't know. That'll be down in this 420 area. So, but we have to kind of like wait and see what's going to happen here. All right, that's that on that. Let's go ahead and go take a quick look at the daily chart and wrap this on up. On this daily chart on the Dow has been chopping sideways, and then today we got this big gap down. It kind of like gapped down and just continued going down. Yesterday it pulled back up a little bit, but today it gapped down and continued running down. And let me see if we see anything here. This is what I see here. And since we came down here, this is a little gap area down in here, and we didn't quite feel that, so we can come down in here and feel that. Then worst case, we can come down here and try to drop below that level and try to fill this area here. So and that'll get us back into that again, that whole 425 stuff that I've been talking about. Again, if things get really bad, it could do that. But the market tends to ignore everything else that's going on in the market and just do its own thing. So again, we just have to kind of like wait and see. But what we're seeing now, this thing is kind of trying to move to the downside. So be mindful of your trading plans and your trading strategies and trade accordingly. And that's all I really want to share today. This is Right Side Trader. Hope you guys had a great week. Hope you guys have a great weekend. And I'll talk to you next week. Have a good one. Bye.